And now news from Telangana. Ahead of Telangana's Dubak Assembly by-election on November the 3rd, the Siddipet police have seized 18 lakhs from the house of a relative of BJP candidate. High drama ensued at the residence of Arjun Rao, one of the relatives, as the police seized the amount, and supporters of Mr. Rao, who is the candidate there, arrived at the relative's house and allegedly snatched away 5 lakh, more than 5 lakhs from the police. For more on this, let's go across to Uma Sudhir. Uma, what exactly happened when the police tried to confiscate the money?
Allegations actually are running thick and fast because the BJP is alleging that it's in fact a constable of the Telangana police who was carrying a bag with a lot of currency which these activists of the BJP had seized, whereas the police is saying that they had gone into the residence with very reliable information, and that's why they had conducted the raid on the residence of Arjun Rao, and they say that they have videographed the entire proceedings, and they say that in the presence of the district magistrate they had in fact seized the money, and they also say that Arjun Rao had in fact confessed that one Jitendra Reddy had asked them to keep this cash which was to be used in the Dubaka election. All this has been happening in the backdrop of the Congress and the BJP both alleging that the police force and the district administration is being used by the TRS as a force for themselves. This is of course a bipole for the Dubak Assembly constituency, which is to happen on the 3rd of November. So less than 10 days now left for these elections, and at this time the BJP now once again saying that they're going to go to the election commission and complain about the kind of activities, as they say, that have led to this kind of a situation. Yesterday, in fact, BJP's state chief was also detained, Bandi Sanjay. He's in fact the Karimnagar MP, and he had tried to come to Siddipet after these incidents had happened, and he was detained, and subsequently in protest he sat on a kind of a diksha saying that till the Commissioner of Police, Joel Davis, is suspended, he will continue with his protest. Minister of State for Home, a central minister, Mr. Kishan Reddy, who happens to be the MP of BJP from Sikandrabad, he also in fact visited, and he has made again very serious allegations saying that the police force was being misused by the TRS ruling party, and he once again says that they will be going to the election commission. He also pointed out that the candidate for Dubak from BJP, Mr. Raghunandan, had alleged that his phones were in fact being tapped, and he had in fact complained to Mr. Amit Shah regarding this. The TRS on its part, Mr. Harish Rao, who is in fact the finance minister and also in charge of this election in Dubak, has said that the BJP is indulging in a reverse kind of a drama and trying to turn the tables while they had been got caught red-handed with cash. The Congress, of course, saying that the BJP and the TRS are indulging in match fixing, and they are also alleging that the TRS is indeed using the police force. Must point out that in fact the district collectors were changed just yesterday. New collectors took charge after a complaint was made to the election commission. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Uma, for all that update.